In this video, we are going to learn about radial array and rectangular array in plasticity. So let's start. So I will select this default cube, press X and delete. Press 7 on my numpad. Now let's try to make a simple cylinder here. I think this much is fine. Press enter to make it confirm. Now if I click on here radial array and try to make it, it makes something like this. Now a question that comes in your mind that how I can control the number of instances and the direction of it. For example, if you look at from the top plane, it is from this side. But what if you want to make at the right plane? That is also a question. And what if you want to make at a angle of it at a particular angle? So how you can make it? So let's start learn one by one. First, how to control number of instances. You can go here and decrease or increase the number of instances as per your requirement. You can repeat this. As you can see, it's zooming out of it. Repeat distance. You can control the distance, how much at a distance you want to repeat it. It will be quite handful when you make, you have to make some patterns. So let's cancel it out. Now suppose I want to make on this plane, okay, like this. Not like this, but like this. So how should I make it? So first thing that you do is select this. Make sure that you're in object selection mode. Select this. Click on a radial array. Now it is asking for a point about which you want to, center of point about which you want to make the radial array. So if I click on this, you can see. So this is how you can make it. Now a question comes to your mind. What about, at a angle of it? Suppose you say, hey, I want to make it at a particular angle. So how should you approach this problem? Okay, let's visualize. So cancel this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a simple line like this. Enter. Suppose I want to make at center of this line, inclined about this line. So what I will do, I will click on radial array. Sorry, cancel this. Select your first the object that you want to do radial array. Click on radial array. Select the center point. So I will select this line. Notice it is not that way. So one other way. Select this line. Click on extrude. -2 here. Click OK. Now I will select the object, click on radial array, select the center. Notice that I am able to make it at a inclined plane. So the last time what actually happened, it is not able to fully capture the point on the line. So that is the reason I have to make this sheet. Remember, it is a sheet, not a solid body. It is a sheet. So I hope you get your doubts clear how to use radial array. Okay, in the next video we will talk about rectangular array. So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day.